looking for a good washout, the Vermifuge is a good worm bush. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the Crocus farmer. Thank you for tuning in. I am the farmer man. Me love me farming from evening till the morning. You're looking at the Vermifuge, the Jamaican worm bush, the bush that all the good youths in Jamaica are afraid of taking, because when you take it, it'll go worm you out. Now this particular bush have medicinal properties that will remove all parasites from the intestines. It will also build the mother body that has just delivered, will cure and push out all kind of inflammation, clean the womb, and also it will produce great amount of breast milk. The Vermifuge, oh, the worm bush, me never know that. I'm here trying to wrap around the Vermifuge, but I'm going to have to put him up somewhere, because I'm going to trim up the Vermifuge and bring in some. Oh, it smells like fumigation. I'm telling you, it smells high and potent. You'll never forget this smell as a Jamaican, right? Because this is what your grandmother gave you to worm you out, cure out you. Now big up yourself, subscribe, like, and share my family. This is the Vermifuge. Yes, this is the worm bush from Jamaica. It has great medicinal properties. Yes, it will clean out the womb after delivering, and it will help you build breast milk, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you, it's also a sedative, ladies and gentlemen, the Vermifuge, the worm bush. Bless up on yourself, and I'm glad on you tune in to find out. Hit that red subscribe button. You'll be blessed.